The 18th of June 2021, and so every year around this time I want to move my bees to my outyards. I kind of shoot myself in the foot. I see other people moving their bees, in the spring, filling up their outyards, and I think, no, I'm smarter than that. I'm going to leave all my bees here so that I don't have to travel to manage everything, and that's great. That's a big help. However, I want to move my bees around solstice, so guess what? The days are really long, and in my part of the world, days are really long. The sun comes up about 4:30. So today, I kind of hit the jackpot. I think. We'll see how this goes, see what a jackpot it is, or whether it's a good one or a bad one. I was planning to actually make that 4 o'clock rise day tomorrow. I was planning to get out of bed at 4 o'clock tomorrow morning and come out here and load up a load of bees. I have 2 outyards to stock this year, so I was going to knock one off tomorrow morning. But I got up today, and it's not real early. It's 10 or 11 o'clock now, and I left the house. It's only 17 degrees. And people ask, how warm does it have to be for bees to fly? Well, it doesn't have to be very warm for them to fly, but for them to want to fly. There's no flight out here today. It's 17 degrees, but you see it's cloudy. You come out here in the spring when I move my bees out and it's sunny and it's 5, there's flight everywhere. They can see the sun. They're anxious because they got to poop. So it's the need and it's the sun and whatnot. So today there's a little bit of a breeze. It's not very warm, and I was just preparing for tomorrow's move, and I thought to myself, why not try and load up a load of bees, get it over to one of my outyards, then I can get up tomorrow morning, get the other load out to the other one. So we're going to try that today, and hopefully this works. I think I'm going to have a lot of flight once I start grabbing these hives. I have to move some of them here on this side so that I have space to load the trailer. Get a little congested in here. I have a plan for that though. I'm going to fix that problem. I just need a little bit of stuff from the store. So I got the smoker going, and I'm gonna mark the trailer. One of the problems I have is this is a 20-foot trailer. The wheels are a long ways back. I mean, it's standard. It's not unusual that way, but the way I use it is I load my cargo on the front, I load my tractor on the back, so all the weight's up on the front and it sits on the truck. These are not that heavy, so it's not a big deal. When I'm hauling honey, that's a big deal. So what I've done is, you can see my measuring tape sitting on the trailer there. I'm going to put a mark on the trailer on each side, and that gives me just enough room for the tractor. And so I can start loading bees at the back and then load them forward. And that'll help keep my cargo a little farther back, even out the load a bit. Evening out your load, keeping it correct on your trailer is very important. If you're going to err, put too much load on your truck though. If you're not going to do it right, err that direction.
Now the apiary is looking a little more lean. Most of the ones I took were on this side. So that's moving stage 1. I've got the truck and trailer in here ready to go for moving stage 2 tomorrow morning. I might even load them tonight. It's not a really warm day even yet. There's a little bit of flight, but not much. So all of these doubles, except I think 3 pallets, are gonna go. So that'll be really cleaned out here. But that's okay. This is I don't know what to call it. This is the yard where I have to tend everything, where everything has to be taken care of and requeened and, you know, maybe split or whatever. The other yards are just honey yards. They're just move the biggest and best and most stable out there. I'll let them make honey all summer. It's the afternoon and I haven't had breakfast. Need to go in for some breakfast. So there's a lot about today I haven't videoed, but it's been actually a really good day. And I loaded up my second load of bees and my tractor. I didn't take the tractor on the first load because we went to Buddy's place and he got a little John Deere tractor of similar size. And we use that to unload. So I'm just gonna unload this now and then we'll get the bees off of there, set them over where they belong. I didn't bring a tripod, so I really can't video this whole process. You've seen it before, my other videos. Well, there they are, all unloaded, 32 colonies. And tractor's loaded on the trailer. And me and the truck are ready to go home. So this starts another beekeeping season, honey production season. And I just pray it's a really good one. Everybody take care and have fun.